Alesund, with its panoramic viewpoint of the surrounding archipelago and fjords from the Mount Axla, the entrance to the Fjord. Approaching the city center, you come across beautiful flowering plants, crossing funny troll shops, and delicious fish and chips. This beautiful smile worth more than 1,000 words. And I also had the chance to see the famous Norwegian postal ship, the Hurtigruten. Alesund looks like a colorful postcard, known for the Art Nouveau architectural style, with its colorful houses, and a wonderful reflection on its blue water that almost seems like a mirror. We are now driving to the northernmost destination of our journey. We lost the count of how many ferries we have taken. Truth is that we absolutely love the views from the sea, whether through a window or from the ferry deck. This seagull is leading us to one of the most famous roads in Norway. The Atlantic Road is a unique stretch of a road which takes you right out to the ocean's edge. For this time we have reached our destination, and sadly, it is time to set sail south. We do not miss nothing in our van. Every morning we spoil ourselves with an excellent espresso. It almost becomes a morning habit to be awakened by the noise of the coffee machine, followed by a pleasant smell of coffee. There are moments when you wish that feeling of peace would never end. It's time to head south again. But we stop almost immediately to photograph this perfect reflection of some Norwegian cabins. We are now driving to our last destination of this travel, Oslo, the capital of Norway. Oslo's city center is compact and easy to navigate, offering a harmonious mix of historic charm, modern design, and cultural vibrancy. From the train station walking to the Royal Palace, you will cross the cathedral and the Norwegian Parliament. Behind every corner, the city is showing something different. take your time to walk in the direction of the marina. You will come across historical building, artistic statues and modern architecture. And almost by chance, we ended up in this renovated neighborhood, decorated with magnificent pink flowers. Our journey ends here. Thank you all for following us on this adventure. We have many trips planned in the future, and this passion will never end.